Hey guys, we got this degrees of comfort to king size comforter set. Is a gray 7-piece bed in a bag with a bedding sets and collection. So this is the 7-piece. So first impression comes in the vacuum packed and a gift wrap thing. So it's a good for gifting as well. Premium gift thing like the with the ribbon and stuff. So we can just open up this. So this comes with a fitted sheet, a normal sheet, pillowcases and shams. And then also this you can see like the quality, very soft quality here, which is soft and fluffy, warm and lightweight, breathable and durable. With the stitching and quilting, you can see it here. It's pretty nice and soft. So the two zipper pillowcases here is a vacuum pack comforter. So let me just take this out and give it some time to fill up that air and things. So this is actually the bed sheet, a fitted sheet and the bed sheet. It is white with the gray spots on it or the design on it. So I just put it on the bed. You can see it here. So the mattress have some design, so you can see, but it's actually this shade. And then yeah, this is a soft comforter, cotton, and you can see like the feel, lightweight. And after putting the fitted sheet, it's got in the deep pocket. And then after sheeting and the sheet and the other stuff looks really nice, very comfortable and very good looking. The bed in a bag set, and the comforter is also like good, shiny, and you know easy to wash in a machine, and pretty good looking comforter set.